And so here we are with match number 3 to do that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
right out come the 2 umpires today. Paul Rifle from Australia, Kumara Dharmasena from Sri Lanka, and Andy Pycroft, vastly experienced match referee from Zimbabwe, played against India back in 1983.
But how will they be able to deal with these conditions? I'm sure it'll be lower, slower, and probably offer a lot more turn than what they've experienced. Top of the order, Rohit Sharma. He's just been fantastic.
Goes inside out, over the top, first boundary for Rohit Sharma.
Yeah, first bit of aggression from the Indian captain and nicely played. I think he's discussing the length that you need to hit. Could have been, should we bring one of the slip cordon out and give him a bit of protection?
That's dangerous for South Africa. He's found the gap between leg slip and the keeper perfectly. Not that they wanted him to. Finds the gap. And that amazingly minimalist style from Shubman Gill.
This is what makes him so attractive to the eye.
4 more. The timing once again exquisite. He's going through a phase, Marco Jansen. He's been better than anybody else in the past. All hands. Why would you bother about feet? Throw your bat at it because you've got the width. And Rohit Sharma picks up another boundary. This is a brisk start now. Well, they'll have to think along those lines because at the moment the runs are flowing here at the Eden Gardens, and the flowing, not surprisingly, of Rohit Sharma's bat. He's got a 3rd boundary.
Yeah, I'd agree with Ricky, because one of his good strengths, indeed, when he's inexperienced, you probably do want someone like that just to bounce ideas off. But
really, it was a scoop rather than a pull, that, and that's why it didn't clear the boundary. Bounced a couple of times before getting there. Realized that. Not sure he timed that as well as he'd like to, but you don't have to worry on this surface of the Eden Gardens. This groundsman here is every inch a batter's friend. Too easy. Another day it would have cannoned into the boundary cushion. Today it just about gets there. It's a game to get over. New Zealand and Pakistan and Afghanistan, because only... Not if he bowls there. Not if he bowls there, because that is a pickup shot that brings up the 50. In just 27 legal...
yeah, the key is that it's all got to do with the marching to watch that. Use of the feet, wicket, taken. Brilliant by Temba Bavuma. That came like a Scud missile. But the introduction of Kagiso Rabada has brought a little bit of control. And Rohit Sharma decides, no, we can't allow him to settle. Use of the feet. But he's picked up Bavuma, and eventually South Africa...
To Marco Jansen, even though he climbed into Lungi Ngidi as well. And
1 run and a wicket here.
oh my goodness me, they're climbing into Marco Jansen. What a stroke. That is off the mark with a difference.
Oh, we've seen some shots a lot. I mean, Kohli now getting stunned. They've never seen fielding or catching of that quality.
He's too short. It's still a very well played shot, given he didn't time it perfectly, by the way, but it's too short.
He's a magnificent puller, Hunter.
Well, that's probably going to go to the boundary as well. It's an amazing assault on the South African attack that we're watching. So the great thing is the bounce is even. Whoa, we thought extra cover was engaged there, but he wasn't. It shot past him off the middle of the bat from the birthday boy.
The Wankhede has that shot. Extended arms down the ground.
Him in one-day international cricket. Never hit a boundary off him. He's only...
Tasted a lot of success overseas, but that's glorious.
The man celebrating his 35th birthday, and I can promise.
That is some delivery. Would you believe it? As we talk about spin and its impact, it happens. Brilliant. brilliant from Keshav Maharaj.
Well, Dinesh Karthik mentioned spinners in will come into play, and almost straight away then.
Into yourself a bit. I like the way. Oh, little leading edge as Virat Kohli also got caught
Behind square on the offside. Let us slip.
With this venue, played India for the first time. Had to move a long way across to get any bat on that because it was very wide. He's managed to finally find the boundary for India.
It's a welcome boundary.
It is an intriguing battle. Now, well, Kohli is going nowhere. Maharaj has always had a good time in one-day international cricket against Kohli and reckons he had here as well. Virat's going...
And he's bowling a very good line to the right-hander because he knows playing...
Shamsi's on the deck. Their buys. Beautiful, really beautiful, very risky for a shot over mid-off. But there's a lot of talent in that man.
in terms of runs and the number of balls they've taken. But you can see the confidence.
There you go, exactly like that, and beautifully struck. This is a very good innings.
Oh, that's pulled away for 4.
Yeah, it was a change of field from South Africa. What they decided to do is bring up that man behind square in the leg side.
Oh, he takes his opportunity here with the field up. One bounce over the rope. He did that in Mumbai in the last game. And another lovely shot. He really is opening up now. Oh, that swung away on the onside. Another boundary. The third of the over. And a big one. They realise he needs to
and try and sort of turn this around, you know, put a bit of pressure on India.
Again for finding the gaps now. First it's not all that easy, but the time he took. And now he's reaping the rewards.
You just feel that South Africa got their field wrong.
Yeah, he certainly keeps you on your toes, like with that shot he just played there now. It's just a one.
Right, how far? Oh, he's put it back. It was so high. And he does. The ball just sat up for him, one bounce for 4. But he had all the time in the world. They thought they'd pepper him with a short ball. But he was ready. Straight up. It's still inside the circle. It's taken. You realise that Shreyas Iyer had taken upon himself the job of getting a move on. With India needing to get about 100 from here, ideally. In at number 5. High valuations. You never know what's with the right. Oh, beautiful Freebie. His fine leg was up inside. 45 was up inside the circle. It's rare that you get that one. You realise when familiarity is set in.
On the wicket.
Margie Janssen round the wicket. Oh, well, 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 a man is back. Can he reach this ball? He can, and he does. What a catch that is. The story has been extraordinary. It's even beyond the south. It's one of the many sweeps I was telling you about. It gets it a little. Giving this a good clip. What a player, huh?
This is what man in terms of range of shots on the leg side.
Oh, that's straight. That's going to take some chasing. They won't chase it. Just met it. Given that a thrash as well. What wonderful stroke play. So he can. Beautiful. And what's done? Yes, has he held on to that? He has. So it looks like the umpires are going to have a chat about whether the ball... Oh, I say, does this beat the fielder to the boundary? It sure does. What a stroke that is to go to 96. A thunderous pull stroke. Runs are flowing. He's a man who writes his own scripts. Many happy returns of the day to Virat Kohli. His 35th.
His ability not to throw it away in the middle, because he knows.
Oh, it made the right noise. It is miles back. Oh, and now through extra cover, and 4 more it is too. You'd have to be here to see it, to hear it. He'll want 2. No, he won't get it though. Well, don't worry about that, Virat, because you've set this place alight for years to come. The 35th birthday of Virat Kohli will be remembered. 100 men.
Yeah, giving them lots of instructions is Rohit Sharma, and the only time there was...
Because they've got Quinton de Kock, who is in form. Themba Bavuma would love some runs. He did come into the tournament in form, so what is a fast start for South Africa?
Yeah, I think these two have been a bit watchful.
So 327 the target will give you another number to think about. South Africa have never chased. A couple of individual milestones from batting.
Good control. There's an example of one trying to be pitched up, and that's beautifully caressed straight down the ground by Quinton de Kock.
Timing is good again. Looking for some swing was Bumrah, maybe just not there on this occasion.
Yeah, we saw that wonderful delivery that he had.
And that is the ball I think all of the Indian team was waiting for. Can Jadeja turn it past the outside edge and hit the stumps? And he has done that 3rd ball.
Well, if Maharaj...
Because it comes so quickly onto them.
Oh, he did well to get a hand to it. Oh, it still goes for 4. It should have been stopped. Mohammad Siraj at mid-on, it should have been stopped. Have a look at... Now is it carried? I think it has. Once again, it's Mohammad Shami. And Aidan Markram with a grimace has to go back. Shami in this form. Klaasen. Another in-form batter.
Off the front foot.
Question is where it pitched. Not out, says Dharmasena. If it pitched in line, I think he's in trouble. Rohit Sharma takes it, but not before a cough. Oh, that should be close. No, says Paul Rifle. Shami said, give it to me now, the referral. Wicketkeeper agrees.
2, 3 of them have all gone up. All gone more towards the leg side. He might have been inclined to just say...
Got an off day today. Well, maybe it was because India went for him. the brilliance, the occasion, and... Oh no, that's out! Oh, all over Red Roma. One left-arm spinner does for another.
What a lovely delivery to get the better of Keshav Maharaj.
And that's a good shot. Marco Jansen is such a natural tactic, which is slightly different. And that's out. You won't see an easier catch than that. It's gratefully accepted by Jadeja, and Kuldeep Yadav has his wicket. Oh, that's out. Corn bowled. Number 5 for Jadu. Oh, I say, that's as good a shot as been played all innings.
Yeah, just again.
Leave Yadav to continue. Oh, that's the end of that. That is a shellacking. South Africa have been bowled out for 83, so the question is, how will they regroup? They've been beaten by 243. God, there have been some huge victories.